Recording anesthesia assessment. Next. Documentation requirements general. When responding to an additional documentation request for an anesthesia service, include a copy or the EDR letter with your documents, provided the documents listed on the EDR or the anesthesia checklist and any another supportive documents. Ensure the following are easily identifiable with the documentation submit. Beneficiary name on all documentation. Date of service, appropriate CPT code billet, appropriate modifier billet. Next. All documentation should also include documentation to support the physician was available during the anesthesia monitoring. If billed with the KX, key or key E modifier, signatures that follow the Medicare guidelines, abbreviation K if applicable, signature attestation if applicable. All documentation, including signatures, should be complete and legible. If your documentation is illegible, transcript note or add amendment second by the rendering provider are helpful. Next. Signatures on orders and records must include a legible form of the name and credentials. Printed or typed names must be accompanied by initials or signature of provider. Electronic signature must indicate it is an electronic signature. Signature example, Dr. John. Next. Medicare signature requirements. Medicare has established signature guidelines. This reference is provided to help you find answers to questions about Medicare signature requirements. Next. Doc Documentation. Moderate sedation. For moderate sedation, the following is required. Documentation indicating anesthesia start and stop time, or total anesthesia time. An order for drugs used, are documentation of the drug administration, valid signatures of the rendering provider. Moderate sedation code under medical review CPT 00810. Next. Moderate sedation exemption. Current practice discusses that the patient receiving moderate sedation be monitored and evaluation before, during, and after and after the producer by trained practitioners. Moderate sedation is not considered to be anesthesia, so it is exempt from requirements for the pre-anesthesia and post-anesthesia evaluation. Next. Documentation general anesthesia. General anesthesia or monitor anesthesia records should include pre-anesthesia evaluation performed within 14 hours prior to surgery or produce requiring anesthesia service. Intraoperative anesthesia record. Post-anesthesia evaluation completed no later than 48 hours after surgery of produce requiring anesthesia service. Anesthesia start and stop times, valid signatures of the rendering provider. General anesthesia code under medical review CPT 00670.
Pre-anesthesia evaluation elements. The pre-anesthesia evaluation should be updated with 48 hours prior or the delivery of the anesthesia and shall include an interview with the patient or guardian to review history, medical comorbidities, medication, allergies, profuse anesthesia, lesion, or complication. Inappropriate the physical exam or diagnostic review. ABC, airway, breathing, circulation, fasting, labs, EKG, X-ray. Identification or potential anesthetic complication or contraindication to the planet producer. Example, diffuse airway, ongoing infection, limited intravascular access. Development of the plan to the patient anesthesia care. Medication for induction, maintenance, and post-operative care. Discussion of anesthesia, benefits, and possible fix. Next. Pre-anesthesia evaluation elements. An interview with the patient or guardian to review history. Identification of potential anesthesia, complication or contraindication to the planet record procedure. Example, difficult airway, ongoing infection, limited intravascular access. Discussion of anesthesia, benefits, and possible risks. Updated within 48 hours prior or the delivery of the anesthesia. Next. Next. Pre-anesthetic evaluation elements. Development of the plan for the patient anesthesia care. Medication for induction, maintenance, and post-operative care. Next. Intraoperative anesthesia. Intraoperative anesthesia record elements. Start and stop times of the anesthesia service, name and identification number of the patient, name or practitioner who administered anesthesia, name and profession of the supervising anesthesiology or operating practitioner, name and the site of drug and anesthesia against route and time or of administration of drug and anesthesia again, techniques used and patient, patient position include the insertion of any intravascular of airway device, name and unknown amount of effect fluids, including blood or blood product, if feasible, time-based documentation of vital signs as well as oxygenation and ventilation parameter. Any completion adverse reaction of problem occurring during anesthesia, including time and description of problem, vital sign, transmits rendered, and the patient responds to treatment. Next. Intraoperative anesthesia record element. Name and identification number of the patient, names of practitioner who administered anesthesia, name and profession of the supervising anesthesiologist of operating practitioner as applicable. Next. Intraoperative anesthesiology record element. Start and stop time of the anesthesia self, techniques used and patient includes the insertion of use of any intervascular or airway device. Next. Next. Bukannya itu intraoperative anesthesia record element. Team-based documentation of vital signs as well as oxygenation of ventilation perimeter, name and a note of IV fluids, including blood products, if applicable. Any complication, adverse reaction, or problem occurring during anesthesia, including team and description or problem, vital sign treatment rendered, and the patient response to treatment. Next, Putri.
Okay, post-anesthesia evaluation elements. The post-anesthesia evaluation should be complete within 48 hours after anesthesia and should include respiratory function, including respiratory rate, airway, patents, and oxygen saturation. Cardiovascular function, including pulse rate and blood pressure, mental status, temperature, pain, nausea and vomiting, and post-operative hydroxin. Patient should be recovered not to participate in the evaluation by answering questions appropriately, performing simple text take, and post anesthesia evaluation example. Post anesthesia evaluation, patient recovered continuous block, no respiratory status, respiratory rate 20, saturation 1000, airway patient yes, cardiovascular function, heart rate 83, blood pressure 1067 or 1053, temperature 38, yes, pain control, circulation, yes, nausea and vomiting control, story, yes, hydroxin status stable, yes, material status recovered patient, participate in evaluation, yes. The physician of record, if anesthesiologists are in a group practice on physical member, might provide the pre-anesthesia examination and evaluation will another fulfills the other criteria. Similarly, on physician member of the group may profit post anesthesia care will another member of the group furnishes the other component parts of the anesthesia service. The medical record must indicate the service furnished and indicate the physician who furnished him. Only one member of the group will bill for the entire anesthesia service. This should be the prophet who inherited the care or who spend the most time in the case. Signature of the CRNA 788A, and the operation anesthesiology should be included in the record. Medical necessity of service. Medical necessity is defined as two services that are reasonable and necessary the diagnosis or treatment of an illness or injury or to improve the function of a malformed body member. Medicine necessity is supported by utilization of the appropriate billing code, applicable modifier, clinical documentation supporting the diagnosis and necessity. And this is a documentation checklist anesthesia. Okay, thank you for listening.